Leslie Lopez, speaking of babies, they're almost babies. Kindergartners out there.
Yeah, at Heritage Charter School, but they're so cute this morning, Leslie.
Yeah, they really are. Now, this is, how old are you guys here? We're pretty young, so we are, what age? We have 2 ages here. Go ahead.
5.
5, and who's 6? Anyone 6 here? Oh, look at all these 6-year-olds. So some 5 and 6-year-olds mixed in. And I just wanted to point out back to the room. Look at that. It says, welcome KUSI and Leslie Lopez. How cool is that? I love that. Thank you guys for making that. I really appreciate it. But do you guys have anything you want to know about the weather in particular? Does anyone have like a real like hard question they need answered? Go ahead. What's your name? I think I called Chelsea. Right. We called on you. Yeah, Chelsea, tell me. What's your question?
If it's rainy, can it still be a lot windy?
Yeah, it can still be windy while it's raining. Very good question. Absolutely, yeah. Wow, I know. And it could get really windy sometimes, too. Okay, how about you? You want to ask a question? No, you? What's your name?
Aaron?
Okay, Aaron, tell me what's your question.
Sometimes, like, the sun is out and the clouds can be out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why does that happen?
That happens when the sun is out.
Yeah, sometimes the sun and the clouds are out together. Very good. Very, very good. Go ahead. What's your question?
When it's always sunny, it doesn't rain.
Well, yeah, if there's no big clouds, it could definitely not rain here in Southern California. Some places, they don't necessarily have to have clouds, just a lot of moisture in there. But yeah, you're definitely right. If we're here in Southern California, and you most of the time need a cloud to get a little bit of rain. Very good. What's your name?
Haley.
Thank you so much, Haley. All right, does anybody have a question, a good weather question? Yes, go ahead. What's your name?
Graham.
Oh, thanks, Graham. All right, what's your question?
Sometimes when it's raining, it doesn't mean that the clouds are out and it's raining. It means what temperature it is.
What was, yeah, what was that? One more time. Tell me one more time.
It means that what temperature it is.
Okay, very cool. Very good, Graham. Thanks for volunteering. Yes, what's your name?
Julia.
Hi, Julia. Tell me what you have a question? Okay, what's your question?
And rainies, when the clouds get heavier, it rains hard.
Yeah, why is that? Is that what you're asking? Why is that? Well, those clouds, remember we're talking how those clouds get full of water when we're wearing the rain hats? The clouds get so full of water that it has to just let it go, so it starts to rain. Very good. Does anybody have anything else that they need answered? You have a question? I haven't called on you. What's your name? Madison? Okay, go ahead, Madison.
When clouds can turn blue or gray.
Very good.
And can turn to white. When it's sunny, the clouds turn white. When it is blue and gray, it falls down.
Yeah, the rain falls down. Very, very good. See how smart these guys are? And this has been a lot of fun. They've been asking really good questions and having a good time. So thank you so much for making me that board. I really love that. That was very nice of you guys. Okay, so let's get right into the weather, talk a little bit about what's going on out there. It is going to be a beautiful day. It is a little bit chilly now. That's what the kids were telling me. It's pretty cold. It's 57 right now in Lindbergh Field. And then heading out towards that satellite radar, sure looks like not a cloud in the sky. Very pretty blue skies. That's what we're going to see for most of today. In fact, we're going to get up into those 70s and 80s. We're going to see the dry flow start to really come up here, and then we're also going to see some windy conditions associated with that. So that all starts happening Friday evening when those gusts really pick up to about 65 miles per hour and will linger all the way till Saturday afternoon. As we head towards the highs for today, it looks like we're going to be into the 70s into our coastal community and into the 80s in our inland community. Pretty incredible temperatures here in San Diego. And as we turn towards the surf, you surfers, it's not bad out there. 3 to 6 foot waves. Very cool temperatures in the water as well. And your 7-day outlook sure looks nice. As we head towards the weekend, we're going to be stuck into the 70s. Today's going to be the warmest day of the week. And then Monday, a pretty significant cool down back into those 60s. Inland looks like we'll see mostly 80s today, again being the warmest day. And then we'll be dropping it down to the 70s. But still, we are in those really unseasonable type of weather. It's January. We're supposed to be the coldest time of the year, and it's certainly not doing that at all here in San Diego. David and Alexis.
Boy, some smart kiddos you've got there, Leslie.
I know. They're teaching me a lot.
There's,
and so it's definitely a different challenge. But these are really the cutest kids.
Are they
I've
getting
seen.
up and exercising during the breaks? Because you're not going to keep them down there on the ground much longer.
I'm actually doing okay.
Are you?
It doesn't seem
All
like
right.
too bad. Yeah, we got up and we did the hat game where
Yeah.
we did that whole thing.
Yeah.
But so far they're look at them. Look at him right there
All right.
with his hands crossed and
My
and
suggestion,
polite.
Look
my
at him.
suggestion at this
He's
point,
just so polite. You look great.
jumping
What's
jacks.
your name?
Do them jumping jacks.
What's your name?
Oh.
Dylan.
Dylan, you look like you are well-behaved young man. Very good, Dylan. Thank you so much for paying
When's
attention. You guys
recess
are
for
all,
them,
all doing such a good
Leslie?
job. What was that?
Do they have recess soon?
Yeah, they have I think a little bit of a break once we're done
Okay.
with this
Okay.
lesson. And then we go to the next kindergarten class. There's two.
Oh.
Oh, fun.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
hopefully
so we
they're
get a different group in
exercising
here.
right now.
No kidding.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
We'll see you.